Good morning. Breaking news out of the immigration court perspective, okay? I'm in several message boards with other attorneys and usually share some of these procedural issues, concerns. Today is March 18th, 2025, and the immigration court has redocketed cases, meaning they put cases that were dismissed, whether it's 2 months ago, 2 years ago, they redocketed, meaning put back on the calendar, the active calendar, to essentially for Department of Homeland Security to prosecute the case, to attempt to remove a person, to have a removal order. Okay, so this is very disturbing and very concerning. Now, when people have gotten orders of dismissal the past 4 years under Biden administration, and it always happened even under other presidents, but a lot more cases were dismissed with President Biden. Now, all our cases that were dismissed in the last 4 or 5 years, no one had crimes. Okay, if I can recall, no one had crimes. If there was a person with a crime, it was not a serious offense. So with that being said, this is very concerning. The attorney who posted this, this person had clarified that those cases that she had mentioned were coming out of Houston, Texas. Okay, so not quite sure of the other cities of the other courts that a few other attorneys have mentioned the same thing, but be on the lookout if you have a case yourself that was dismissed before, whether it was under President Biden or even under Obama, and you got a notice in the mail, comment down below, DM us. We're happy to refer you an attorney in your city if you need it, because this, again, is very concerning, and you need an attorney to keep track of the court date, okay? Because even if they tell you, July 2027, it could change to be closer in time. It could change to July 2026, and you might not actually receive it in the mail. There are mailing issues with the court. Oh, and also if you're wondering, why is this happening? Well, you already knew what was happening when President Trump was elected. But legally and procedurally, when you got a dismissal from the court before, in the language of it, it says, essentially paraphrasing, order for dismissal without prejudice, meaning if the Department of Homeland Security wanted to prosecute this case for a removal order, they can do that in the future, and that's what's happening right now. Save this and follow for more.